Hi guys, good evening. Today is December 8, 2024 at around 7:24 in the evening. Kakatapos ko lang maligo. Si Jazz, ay, yun. Si Jazz din, kakatapos lang maligo. Bibisa siya. Mamadali siya kasi he wanted to be in the video. Yung pusa kong malaki, yan o, si Amazing. Yan. So if you're seeing my background, it's blue and white. Dito sa bago namin bahay, pinapinturahan ko ng blue, pero hindi namin alam kung bakit may mga white. Nagkaroon ng white after
Mami,
a time.
ang ganda mo.
Thank you, anak. Magpapa-repainting ako, most probably next year na. Pipigilan ko muna gumastos sa bahay. Okay. Yun ang aming Christmas tree na sira na. Sirang-sira na. Yung mga gifts.
Amazing.
Dahil kay Amazing, sinira niya.
You made me mad.
Ayan. So, the reason why I'm making this video, this is just to give you an update about what's been happening from November to December.
Another update.
Another update. Jazz. So, what happened yesterday?
Christmas party.
How many?
2,
Okay, the first one is where?
Don Bosco.
And then the second one is in?
Macdo Greenbelt for therapy.
Good.
And after that, after my dinner,
No, don't tell them that. You had your cousin time yesterday, right? Did you had fun?
yes.
Okay, guys. So, November, what happened to us? Nagkasakit si Jazz twice for the month of November. Going to December, we rushed him to the hospital just last week, right? He had sugat, wawa sugat. Kasi nalaglag siya, nadapa siya when we were in Quezon City.
Thursday.
Last week. Last week, yeah. Tapos yun nga, he was hospitalized because of his fever. Pero everything was normal. Prior to that, nirush ko din siya sa health center. Labs na din, everything is normal. So, kakagulat lang. Findings, viral infection. Pero walang infection. So, that's it. Ano ba? November, what happened pa? Nanganak nung partner ng brother ko, nanganak. So, we have a baby boy na. Hindi na si Jazz nung bunsong third generation. Yun. Ano ba? What else? Oh, I will what? Yeah, I know. Si Amazing. Taba, oh. Ayan. Tapos, after this introduction, you will see video clips from the event yesterday in Don Bosco. It's from One Makati. It's the 18th annual PWD Christmas party by One Makati. Sponsored by One Makati.
And Friday at night, we watched the movie.
Oh, yeah. We watched
Moana
Moana 2.
2. I am
Moana! They know my name.
They know my
Ayun, wala na. Yun lang. So, I hope na by next year, I'll be able to, upload more videos like last year when I started, with the YouTube channel. I do hope na I'll have more time next year. Yun. See you guys later.
See you guys later.
Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you for always
Thank you for
supporting
always
us.
supporting us. Bye.
Bye.
subscribe to our channel, subscribe to Just Gaming 199, watch our videos, don't skip ads so that you'll get free money.
Sige, bye guys.
Bye.
Enjoy the next videos.
Enjoy the next videos. Watch till the end.
Hi guys.
Hi guys!
Good morning.
Today is December 7, 2024 at 8:18 in the morning.
And where are we? Don Bosco. We are celebrating the annual PWD Christmas party.
Apa!
See you later.
Bye!
Video anak.
Sino? Call who?
What did you receive? What did they give you?
Soft toy handbag.
What's the extra?
The minis. The small one.
What pet?
This is a pen.
Ay, red panda yan eh.
I thought it would be
Brown panda?
brown pen
Or raccoon?
or raccoon. And
Baby raccoon.
the raccoon has this.
Blessing. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. So, advance Merry Christmas. Kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagdalo sa umaga na ito. Nagpapasalamat din po ako sa lahat ng mga nag-organize, sa lahat ng mga tumulong, lalo-lalo na po sa ating mga past pupils na Don Bosco Makati. Ang mga magbibigay ninyo ang kabutihan na nagbibigay ng ngiti para sa ating kapwa, gawa sa ating magdulot nawa ito na malalim na kaligayahan para sa inyo at sa inyong pamilya. At kayo po inaanyayahan kong lahat na tumayo para sa panalangin at paghingi ng pagpapala sa Panginoon. Manalangin tayo sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Ama naming mapagmahal, kami po ay nagtitipon ngayon bilang isang pamilya upang ipagdiwang ang diwa ng Pasko.
Our president of the past pupils of Don Bosco Alumni Makati Chapter, Mr. Julie Coronel.
Hello! Hi! Good morning sa inyo pong lahat. Welcome sa Don Bosco Makati. In behalf of yung alumni and bumubuo ng ating Don Bosco Makati, kami po ay muling nagagalak at nandito kayo ulit ngayon, nagkasama tayo ulit. Alam niyo ba na ngayon ay ating 18th birthday ng ating annual Christmas party. Pang-18 taon na po natin ngayon. So, bigyan nga natin ng palakpakan naman. 18 taon na yung ating ginagawa. Meron ba dito na nandito nung unang-unang taon? Siguro yung iba very young pa, no? Hello, good morning. I remember you. Isa sa debutante natin. Marcelo. Marcelo, 18 years? 18 years. Happy debut. Si Ira, andito ba si Ira? Hello! Hello, Ira! Ayan po. Tsaka si Charmaine. Andito si Charmaine? Charmaine! Hello! Ayan. So sila yung mga kasama natin from the beginning. No? Kaya po tayo nandito ngayon dahil ito yung ating Christmas party. Okay? Sa office, sa barangay siguro, sa bahay, mag-uumpisa na yung mga Christmas party natin. Nag-uumpisa na yung mga Christmas party natin sa ating mga pamilya. Sa loob po ng 18 taon, kayo po ay naging pamilya na rin para sa amin. So, welcome po ulit. Sana po itong araw na ito, we have a lot of humble presents. Meron tayong mga kantahan, meron tayong sayawan, meron tayong gift-giving. Sana po makapagbigay ng saya. No? Sa mga kabataan natin, ang Pasko ay birthday ni Santa Claus. Tama ba? Birthday ni Santa? Hindi. Kaninong birthday ang Pasko? Kay Jesus. Andito sa harap. So yun lang po. Sana po, as we celebrate hanggang December 25, huwag natin kalimutan kung bakit may Pasko. Lahat tayo magpasalamat dahil sa lahat ng mga biyayang tinanggap natin, kahit po tayo minsan may mga problema, may mga dinadaanan tayo, patuloy pa rin yung biyayang pinagkakaloob sa atin ng Diyos. So, welcome! Sana po mag-enjoy kayong lahat sa araw na ito. Muli po, nagpapasalamat kami at kaming tunay na nagagalak na nagkasama-sama tayo ulit. Merry Christmas and welcome. Thank you very much.
Yay!
Bigay mo.
Can have the whole.
Pagod ka na?
Is this the button?
Oh, 49. What's your name? Chas. You're the next contestant. Yes. Just leave them. Turn around. Okay.
You can do it! You can do it! You can do it! Don't look! Don't look!
Whoa.
Ready? Get set! Go!
Woo! Gorgeous!
All right! Go, 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 go! Kembot, kembot, kembot! Kembot, kembot, kembot! 1, 2, 3, go!
not shake your hips.
Kembot. 1, 2, 3, go!
So I can just shake my hips.
Yeah,
That's a little bit.
yeah.
Little shake.
You should go at the back, anak.
Alright, slow and steady.
Tayo sa brace.
Alright, marshals, pakibilang kung ilan na yung nakatapos ha.
Ang hihinin ng babies mo.
Alright, pangilan na ang team 1? 3. Team 2? 5th. Okay. Team 3, ilan na? Dalawa na lang? Oh my goodness. Go! Team 1, go! Alright, go! Yeah! Kembot.
You wanna go to Jollibee? Dance! Yay! Say hello! Dance! Nagbe-video! Thanks!
Natin, yan, pig. Yan na, 3, 2, 1, go!
Oink, 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 oink,